I want to put sweaty balls on my cup. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new tumbler project. So I'm going to try a few different products today. This is a 35-ounce skinny from the Stainless Depot. And I have a bunch of paints here from the Crystalac company. And I have some Mr. Knowles glitter that I haven't tried yet. This is another one of their OG opal glitters. So we are going to put this aside for now and work on getting these paints onto this tumbler. I'm going to grab a few different soft, fluffy brushes. I don't know how many I'll need. But basically I'm going to start here and go down. And I'm gonna, rather than doing my usual horizontal that I often do when I'm trying out a bunch of colors, I'm gonna try and go diagonal this time, you know, go wild, go diagonal. I like it. I like it a lot. I wasn't sure, but I like it a lot. Okay, I'm going to put this aside to dry, go clean my brushes up, and I'll bring you back for the next step. Stay tuned. And we're back. So this is dried. Look how beautiful this is. Not perfect. Brush stroke marks, a couple of drips. You know, I don't care. I love how it looks. I absolutely love it. Great coverage from this paint. So the next step is I'm going to put resin over this, and into the resin I'm going to mix Ramsey from Mr. Knowles Glitter, as I already said. And then I think on top of that, I'm going to sprinkle something else. You guys may not know this. I want to clue everybody in. Those of you who order or are going to order from Woody's Goodies, first of all, there's a link down in the description area of my videos, and there's a coupon code, so 10% off, so check that out. And also, when you're going to place your order, when you're actually going to check out, there is a place in the order form online for a note to the Woody's Goodies folks. If you put a joke in there, any joke, they will give you freebies when they ship out your order. Sometimes it is measuring spoons, sometimes it's scissors, sometimes it's a free mica sample. And yesterday, when I got my latest order, I received this gorgeous freebie of sweaty balls. And I have to use these. I want to put sweaty balls on my cup. Because why wouldn't you, right? I'm going to mix this into the resin that goes on the tumbler, and I'm going to sprinkle some of these sweaty balls onto the top, and then we'll come back and we'll do the graphic part and see what happens next. And we're back. Okay, this turned out so pretty. I love how this looks. I wasn't sure at first when I started to put the pink glitter on. I wasn't sure I was gonna like it when it was done, but adding the sweaty balls definitely helped. I think I'm gonna start here. I have 3 gnomes. These are the bad laser printer images of the 3 gnomes being hauled away by some balloons. And I printed these out so I'd have an idea of placement. So I'm gonna start with this one. I'm going to do water slides, and therefore I've cut them all apart just to make it easier, but at the same time I want to make sure I get the placement correct. This is going to be a little tricky. I'm doing these water slides all the way around the tumbler. I also have duplicates of everything because I suspect, even though these are pastel, There may be some aspects of some of the balloons or something that kind of disappears when I put one water slide on, and I'll need to double that. We'll see how much doubling I need to do, but I have duplicates of everything waiting in the wings in case I need to double something. I'm using the Hippo, Hiippoo water slide decal paper. Sealed it 3 times, plastered it glossifier, and then Rust-Oleum 2X gloss clear. 2 layers of the gloss clear, and that's just what I use. Water down first so I can move her around. Got my silicone makeup brush, which is in this case a squeegee. Get it a little wet so it doesn't drag against the water slide and potentially tear it. And that gets the decal to lie flat. All right, now she's on there. I'm gonna try and put her balloons on next. These 3 gnomes and this one set of balloons that I have in here now all came together in one art package, and then I'm using some other balloons as well. These are more of a pastel balloon combo. I think she's actually okay. I may not double her. Let's move on and see how the next set goes. All right, so now I want to rest her on the slimy side of the backing paper that she came off of so that nothing happens to her. So everything's dry. It's been, I don't know, an hour or 2, I guess. So I'm going to double the gnome and the balloons. So I went back into Design Space and I took this bouquet of balloons with these strings that are visible. And you can see the strings, it's not even doubled. And I made the bouquets different lengths. Hopefully these will fit. Putting my glasses on, that will help. All right, so his hand is there. The strings need to be in it. So I will put a final layer of epoxy resin over the entire thing, and into it I will put Mr. Nola's 504 to add a little extra sparkle on top of all the water slides. So the next time you see this, could be out in the sunshine. Stay tuned.